Hello, my name is Carlos Urban, and today I'm going to show you how I created this chatbot for my class. And again, there are many videos on YouTube on how to create chatbots, but I found one that has for this very precise purpose, and it's super easy to do. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So let me just so you see that it works. Here, the chatbot is on the right. Okay, so here I've been asking a lot of questions to make sure that it works. And so, for example, let's say a student goes and wants to know what is the required textbook. Okay, and I have it right here next to it. So you see, it's right here now. It basically answers all the questions. Let's find something else. Um, okay, so I'm going to put here what is the policy on class absence or attendance. I just want to put it more in regular language. So here it is. Okay, so basically this whole thing, which is my syllabus, it has my calendar, it has the rubric for the, for the group project. So basically, the way I did this is using something called fastbots. Okay, so basically here it is. It's called Chatbots, and I can so here so just go to chatbots.ai. So if you go to fast, there you go. So what you're gonna do is get started for free. It's gonna ask you for a email address, and that's it. No credit card or anything. So I'm using the free version. So so basically what you do is you want to what it would be called train or the set up the chatbot. So training, for all practical purposes, all it means is that you're going to put some data. So in this case, I'm putting my syllabus, and you can put it in two ways. You can put a link. So for example, you can put a website. So you can put a website and it goes through everything that is in the website, or you can put text. Okay. So you see right here, all I did is I copy and pasted this whole thing into here. And because I'm using the free version, I was a little concerned that I was going to reach my quota, and I'm actually only using 5% of my quota. Okay, here it has more information that you can add. Now, where you really want to, so I'm going to put this over here so that you see how I did all this. Now we don't really need the syllabus here anymore. So basically what I'm going to show you is what did I do, to make it appear this way so that it has my name and all these things. So what you go is you go here where it says appearance. Okay, so here the title is right there. And you can even change the welcoming message if you want. Okay, so let me, well, I'm not going to change it right now because some people are already using this bot, and if I change it, I'm afraid that it may create a different link. So I'm not going to change it right now. I'm just showing you. So here you can just change the welcoming message. It says, hi, how can I help you? So you could just change it there. Okay. And the other thing that I did is I changed the colors. So here you can change the colors. You can see it says the background color and all these things. Okay, so let me just see something. All right, so I can show you, and then I just won't click save. So you see here, you can click background. You see it's selected green. I'm using green and orange because those are the colors of the University of Miami, which is where I teach. And then the other thing you want to do, or you can do, is this thing that says Tune AI. So when you click here, First of all, it's already defaulted to using ChatGPT 4.0 Mini, which is a really good one because it's the only one that is really advanced and it's free. I'm not familiar with this one. All these other ones you need free. Now, the other thing that I did is I said you you are a question answer bot. This was already in the default, but you can add more things. So I said you're a teaching assistant bot for Professor Carlos Herbert's class. If you do not know the answer to the question, please ask the user to contact Professor Urban directly. So you see over here where it says contact, because I don't want the AI to start all of a sudden making up stuff that is not in the syllabus. I want to make sure that it does precisely what the syllabus says. Okay, so you save everything and then you go over here where it says deployment. And when you click on deployment, okay, this right here is where you can copy and paste the website, sorry, the bot, so you can see this is the same one. So that's why I didn't want to make any changes because I don't know if it's going to change it. For more advanced, you can actually, if you have a website, you can copy and paste. This is an HTML snippet. You know, even if you're using something like Wix, which doesn't require anything of coding, it will tell you where you can add this. So you can, so I'll do later a video on how you can use this for your website if you have one. This video is basically a video more for people who are educators, because we all use syllabus, we all have a lot of information about our group projects and all the things and all the activities. As a matter of fact, this even has the calendar. Okay, so if I ask, let's see if it works. Sorry, this is, so let me move this a little bit. When are the holidays? All right, this is great because I wasn't sure. You see, this is in a table in the, if you see it, you see? Oh, okay, but this table is obviously part of the Word document. I made sure that it was a Word table. I don't recommend that you do embedded files like Excel and those things because I don't know if it's going to read it. So you see all this information that is here. So let's say I want to know when is step one for the marketing lab. So I'm going to put that here. When is step one for the marketing lab? You know, I keep challenging this thing to see if it's going to make a mistake, and it doesn't. Oh, look at this. And it also gives you the link if you want to know more about the marketing lab. So again, and the email and so on. So this is just awesome. And as you can see, it's super easy to do. What else do we have here? So these are the, let's see, these are the links. I think I showed you that already. Overview. Oh, here it is. Look at this. Messages. Your bot has sent 7 messages. So it tells you even how old it is, the training. So this is what I was telling you. You can have up to 500,000 characters, okay, for free. And my whole syllabus has 40,000. So it's still, so let's see, leads. What is this? Oh no, I guess that's when you have, so here it is. Here is all the information. So you see you can create several chats for different things. I think the first one is free. and then the other ones you may need to pay something. You can view it. I'm actually gonna create one for all of my classes. So we are in the 10-minute mark. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and if you like, please like the video. If you like the video, please put like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.